up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, guys. We're gonna be installing this frontal wig from start to finish. It's an ombre wig and with baby hair in front, and it's gonna be glueless. We're not gonna use glue on this installation we're gonna do. So if you want to be seen on this channel, I want to hit that subscribe button for your girl. You know how we do it. Let's get this party started, y'all.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something's not fake to me now.
These are what you need for this wig: a dome cap, your frontal lace, your ventilating pin, and then you also need your little crochet pin, the smaller one anyway. Then you need your thread and needle to sew the lace on the wig cap. Then you need elastic band. You have to use one for the ending part when you're done with the wig. And you need your braiding hair extension. So for this hair I use color 30 and color 1 for the base, color 30 is the fitting braid that I did at the tips to make it an ombre hair, right? So that's basically what I use for this wig. Just these two. I think I use 3 packs, 2 packs of color 30 and 1 pack of color.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm all my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitches did it to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, you can discard. The frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm oh, fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, got me questioning what it's done. We used to be out of reach. me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. I'm telling more and more, I didn't think it ever before. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if you ever wanna drown, I need to hear it from you. Can we no longer time without don't fuck me up, don't let me down. If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling in too deep. That's okay, just rescue me. Let me know what you want from me. Open up, let me in and see, boy. I know where I wanna be. Just wanna know what your love in me, boy. Yeah, don't let me go. You know I wanna be around. I'm telling more and more, my heart is in my head. So I think I'm letting down.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out.